Hey kids! Hey Vinaya, hey Allah! What's up with you today? Look, I've got some great tractor toys! Welcome back to our tractor toys channel. We've got lots of tractors and we've got this beautiful shovel. That's a wheel loader, see? Plastic parts, but it is a beautiful tractor. And we've got this cement mixer here. See, that's red. That's a container. And it really can go to each side. And we have this blue part. We have the yellow. And we have 4 wheels. Now we have the truck. Looks like a jumbo truck. It is that big. And it's green here, yellow, and black. And it has 4 big wheels. Just like this. Which construction vehicle do you love the most? What do you say? The wheel loader, the truck, or the cement mixer? What do you say? You can comment and subscribe and get lots of new tractor toys videos. They never break. And I think in a few days we're gonna take them out to a mud trial and see how do they work in our new backyard. Bye bye. Subscribe.